Got the Halloween trunk or treat. Not much of a turnout because it's raining. Got some kids dressed up running around. That's kind of fun. We're at the Midweek Cruise-In Wednesday at Arby's. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Look at this, got the decorations. Lots of little kids having fun, even in the rain. Look at the little ones. Still coming out of the rain. That's the Halloween spirit. A little rainy. So he's got cornhole set up over here. Cornhole boards if you want to play a game of cornhole in the rain. It's a Buick. Seen him before. It's a beautiful car. Got some candy there. Ooh, might take a Kit Kat bar. There's the Buick. There's the straight 8. Channel supporter. I think Aubrey's taking off. Her car has no side windows yet, so that's why she's taking off. It's starting to rain a little bit more. It's Ron's Porsche. Where are you going?
Oh, it's raining.
I know. All right, take care. What a great looking shoebox Ford. Got Chrysler 300. Ron's Porsche.
Thank you guys for coming. Let's start. We're supposed to take it.
There's where all the candy is.
Yeah.
Can't forget Frank's 49 Ford here. If it starts raining anymore, you better get that window up. Mustang. It's our G8 GT. Mike's Mustang's over here. Yeah, the rain really kind of messed things up, but a couple of the diehards still turned up. Look who it is. Ariel. Everybody dressed up. Really fun for the kids to come out, and especially the real little ones.
Puppy's probably inside.
Hi. That'll probably do it. The trunk or treat. This is the last midweek cruising of the season. So the time's changing, although if the weather's good, folks will still come out. Anyway, I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching. Tune in again. We got plenty of other videos on the channel and more to come. Take care. So this is how the regular season of midweek cruising in Leonardtown ends. In the rain. Had a trunk or treat. Some kids got their candy and whatnot, but now the rain's really coming down, so anyway, that'll do it.